Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Market. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can bring your own virtual number from Twilio.com and connect it to your Market account. This is a good way to keep track of your call logs, and some of the advantages of having your own virtual number from Twilio.com is that you are in complete ownership of the number, even if you choose to disable the add-on feature, or if you need to pause or deactivate your account. You are able to use your number for two-way chats between your customers, have unlimited time on call forwarding, and the ability to click and call the customers on the desktop version from their customer profile in order to have everything in one location on Market. To begin, you can go to More, and then Add-ons, and then scroll down. It is important to note that if you want to bring your own virtual number from Twilio.com, you cannot use the virtual number provided through Market. So you will need to make sure that this is disabled before you go ahead and use the Bring Your Own Virtual Number. When you're ready, enable and then choose Manage. From here, you will be prompted to go ahead and enter in this information from Twilio.com from your account. You just need to log into your account on Twilio.com, grab the information, paste it here, and connect. This is what it looks like from your dashboard, and you can just copy this information and pop it in where it's needed. Next, you will go ahead, and if you needed to exit out for whatever reason, you'll just hit Complete Setup. Otherwise, after you've entered in that information, it will ask you from a drop-down to choose the phone number from your account, and then save. And now your number is connected to Market. There are some additional things that you can do. For example, your SMS chat is now enabled once you're connected, but you can also enable call forwarding by pressing Setup. For this, you will need to enter in a different phone number than the virtual number that you just set up. So this is going to a different number in order to prevent loops from happening. Once you have that number in, hit Save and that will be connected. You can also set up your click and call after you have set up your call forwarding with that number, and hit Setup and Enable to do so. Once you have those set up, you are good to go. You can also toggle between the different reports just by clicking this bold text. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.